The Level 1 Introductory Square Foot Gardening course is your comprehensive guide to learning the SFG method. Your purchase gains you access to all 6 modules, complete with downloadable charts and handouts, along with helpful videos. Regardless of your skill level or where you live, the Square Foot Gardening method easily allows you to grow more of your own food with less effort, less space, and less water. A successful square foot garden can be achieved almost anywhere in the world, producing a healthy and constant supply of fresh food all year round. The introductory module covers the history of square foot gardening and its founder, Mel Bartholomew. Mel knew there must be a simpler, more efficient way to garden, and with years of experimentation, he perfected the small space, high yield SFG method. In this Level 1 course, we'll show you how to plan and build your own square foot garden, and you'll have access to tips and how-tos, common problems, and in-depth explanations. Lastly, you'll learn how to plant and easily maintain your garden for years of future harvests. If you're ready to begin your square foot garden journey, we encourage you to purchase the online course now and learn the fun, easy way to get growing.